Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy TikTok profile link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on settings and privacy. And once you are in settings and privacy, you simply need to click on share profile, and then you need to click on copy link, and then you need to go back, and now you have link. You can share that link anywhere. So for this example, I'm going to share that on the WhatsApp and share that here and click on send. So this is a process by which you can copy TikTok profile link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.